Okay guys, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at question 2 and 3. So question 2 asks us to give 3 examples of integers that are not natural numbers. So let's think about what our natural numbers are. So our natural numbers are, try that again. Our natural number is going to be the set of all numbers starting at 1, going to 2, 3, dot, dot, all the way. So pretty much it's all numbers, all whole numbers above 1 are natural numbers. So we need to give 3 examples of integers that aren't natural numbers. So it's just a matter of picking 3. So 1's really obvious. So -5, it's an integer, but it's not a natural number. Another one will be 0, because 0 is not on our list up here. And a final one is just a matter of picking another integer that's negative, -1. Doesn't really matter what 3 you pick, just pick any 3 integers that aren't on that list and you're golden. Now when we take a look at the next question, which is give 3 examples of real numbers that are not rational. So when we think of a real number is any number that can be expressed as any number that can be expressed in decimal notation is a real number. It doesn't matter if it's non-terminating, non-repeating, whereas any rational number has to either it can be expressed as a decimal, but it has to be a terminating or non-repeating part to it. So again, it's just a matter of picking a couple right off the top of our head. So we know the square root of 2 is an irrational number. So that means it's not part of the rational number set because it's a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. You also have pi, which is 3.141, etc., etc., etc. There's also one that you'll hear every now and again, and we've referred to a couple of times, which is e, which is the natural exponent. I'm not going to get into details of that unless you know about that. That's going to probably be a headache for you. If you don't think, just for your own information, e is 1.71 something. I can't remember the rest. Then finally, you also can do something like square root of 5. Pretty much square root of any non-square is going to give you that number. So again, any 3 numbers you pick here, you're golden. Just a matter of making sure that they belong to one set and they don't belong to the other. Alright, that's it for these 2. Next question we'll be taking a look at is question 4.